Oh my god, that was too loud. I am so sorry for breaking someone's ears right now. Anyways, wait, is the audio working? Okay, the audio is working. Okay, on both streams. That's great. Oh, what's up, Saibo? Hopefully you're doing amazingly. Right now, I'm gonna quickly add a song to my music playlist, to the stream playlist. Oh, I forgot what it's called. Finally, stream I can watch. Bro, it's like 30 minutes earlier than the past few streams were. Let's go history. History. Where's that song? It's not a song, it's another micro. Yeah. Drayton by C418. And I like go here, Drayton. Save to stream. Okay. Now I can open this and show play. Amazing. And I do this. And there is also music now in the background. Let's go. That is, if you're watching live. If you're watching a VOD, then no, there is no music, because copyright is scary, guys. Especially if like the new AI YouTube system gonna be like, oh, you're using that song without any further notice, I will be banning you. I don't want that to happen. It's not a good thing. Anyways, so what is the plan for today? I don't know what that function is. The plan for today is, first of all, you know the project is getting serious when I installed Obsidian and I started using it. Oh my god, Obsidian is just so cool for project managing, especially these graphs it creates. I don't know, it's probably something with me, but like seeing these graphs is so cool. This is just the main thing. But you can like open a graph, you can like move around stuff. I want to be like, oh, how do I want to do my terrain generation? I click on this here, and it opens up this small thing I started writing. And then I can like, oh, how to make the world look pretty? Go to here. It's auto tiling. And I can also go, okay, with me. Is there like a open graph view thing? There's probably like some keybinds, right? Editor. Let's see. Man, I can't find this. Appearance? Maybe? Oh, it's not appearance. Why would it be appearance hotkeys? Graph. Control G. Like if I'm here. Oh yeah, look, and then it opens very flash and everything. And I can like, oh, let's go to my to-dos. Bam! So for today, we're doing auto tiling and maybe something else if I have time. It shouldn't be that difficult because honestly, I already have the basic system implemented from my past thing. I should probably also start a GitHub for this, but I don't want my code to be shared with AI, so no GitHub. I am gonna use it right now though to borrow the code I've written. Okay, let's go here, borrowed, and I got this beauty here. Just copy this, bam. I'm just gonna paste it in. Okay, but for now I'm gonna close this. I would honestly suggest, I mean, it's just like a Microsoft platform. and there's GitHub Copilot, so I'm almost 100% sure GitHub just steals your stuff. Does GitHub Copilot train on GitHub private repositories? Let's see. Individual private. Okay, does Microsoft include? I see that it is declared that Copilot does not use enterprise data. Reading through Hacker News, etc. all signs unfortunately point to GitHub using your private repos to train AI. Yeah, okay, but this was like 2024. That's so old. Okay, this is newer. First of all, the GitHub, okay, oopsie daisy. It's your code made available to GitHub. Okay, so yeah, GitHub is very cool like that. Yippee, this is amazing. Secondly, has it specifically privacy section that should be read. Finally, you know, like, what is it called? Copilot. Okay, Copilot is mentioned here. Personal data is collected from you directly, automatically from your device, and also from third parties. The personal data GitHub processes when you use these services depends on variables like how you interact with their services. From your account data, user content and files, code, inputs, images. So yeah, I'm gonna. Wasn't there like some other alternative to GitHub, like GitLab? I might use GitLab. It only had like one downside, like a few years ago when it fully broke down and deleted everything. Can I just go to the main page of GitHub, please? I don't. GitLab. Why GitLab? Cookie settings. Confirm. Okay. Let's see what this says. GitLab helps companies manage their growing complex blah 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 blah. AI powered. Okay, I guess I'm not using this as well. Boost efficiency, reduce cycle times with the help. Support. Okay, it doesn't seem to. Okay, no, never mind. No, just create faster code. Okay. Never mind, I guess then. But no. Oh yes, back to the topic. Basically, if you want to manage any of your files, Obsidian is by far the best choice. If I would have to ever have a sponsor, ever, I would want it to be Obsidian. This thing is so cool. And also my ADHD brain really likes just doing that. Nonetheless, time to do auto tiling. They already copy everything? Okay, yep, I definitely did. So the question is, how do I do it now? That's a lot of stuff. What I want to do instead okay. How do I go about this? Because I can use rectangles for my tiles, but just think about how fully optimized that is. So right now I have 16 per 16 tiles per chunk. Each tile is then gonna have a byte of information about what type of tile it is, and then it's gonna have Wait, floats are 16. How many bytes is a float in C#? Float 4 bytes. Oh wait, then how much is an integer? $32. Okay, it's already also 4 bytes. It's gonna be like 4 plus 4 multiplied by 4. That's 520 bytes per chunk. That's 5 kilobytes. That's so much memory. And at every time I'm loading how many chunks? Let's see. Render distance 4, so that's 4, 4, 8, 64. So we multiply this by 64 then. That's 320 kilobytes of RAM being used. That's like big numbers. I'm obviously joking, but yeah. Oh, what did I just click on? Oh, Desmos, okay. So now, this, where did I copy it? I copied it here. Did I do this? Okay. Int type, and then int variant. Variant. Okay, I think this is the way I'm gonna do it. So basically, instead of being how many bytes did I calculate? Instead of it being 320 bytes, it's gonna be 192 bytes, which is better. You know, that's always good. So what I need to do now is I just need to do int, I just need to do type equals 0, type equals 1, type equals 2. This is fun, don't worry. Type equals 3, type equals 4. Okay, I'm just gonna type equals 5, type equals, this is programming at its finest. There has to be like a faster way, maybe copy and pasting. Oh, also I'm forgetting to put break everywhere. Okay. Wait, what? Why is this? Okay, I'm not gonna question it. So until here it all repeats. Okay, so I can just... Can't I just do Control L and paste? Oh, why does it paste so weirdly though? Oh, I thought you need to copy with the new line like that. And then I select this, delete, paste. Okay, yeah. And then this, and then that. I just need to change it all. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Okay, that's correct. Let's see. What about this though? What do I do here? Okay, 0. That's the variant though. Okay, I need to check something. This code is amazing, don't question it. What? I have the same rectangle. Wait, no I don't. All of those are zeros. So that's the y-axis? Oh yeah, so the type, okay, so that's the y-axis. So now the x-axis is, okay, yeah, no, never mind, yeah, all is good. So I just do, instead of this, I'm gonna be doing variant equals 0. Wait, no, 4. And then type is equal to 0, and I break. And this goes all the way to the end, and just gonna keep increasing by 1. Oh my god. This is coding at its finest. There has to be a faster way. Okay, so this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, 5, 6, 7. Man, all the NeoVim users are probably laughing at me right now. Or just smart programmers. Okay, and the final one is variant 5. And type 0. Okay. Then what I do in here is that I do nothing for now. Right now, let me just do it without randomization. So with all of that, in the end, I return an integer list of 2. So I do variant, no, type, then I do variant. With this, now I need to do public. Why is this static? This doesn't need to be static. Public void auto tile, let's call it. And what it does is that it's gonna go through each tile for int x equals 0, x less than what? Man, I forgot. Wow, my memory is bad. X less than global's chunk size. Yep. And x plus plus. Oh, what is this? Nothing interesting. And then I do for int y less than global's chunk size. Okay. With this, I am now able to. Well, I can't just go to rect. I need to do this. So I check if globals, oh not globals, if tiles xy, okay, do I not store it in a 2D array? Am I stupid? No, I do. I'm not stupid. I just forgot to add this. Doesn't equal to 0. Then in this case, oh, thanks to Cyber, my average view duration is crazy right now. YouTube is gonna love that. So with the tiles, what do I do with the tiles? I go to... No, it's because you have the stream opened and the average view duration is like at max right now. And YouTube likes it when the average view duration is high. So I appreciate you having the stream opened. I know. That's amazing. Anyways, I need to be checking for tiles. Well, first I'm just gonna copy this. I'm now gonna... Wait, what? Why doesn't that work? Is it Shift Alt? Oh, okay, it is Shift Alt. That's all good. And this is not direct to type, I guess, and then I do tiles equals this to type. And what do I do here? First. Okay. So I have two problems right now. I don't store the tiles in any way. This might be an issue. Okay, I'm gonna create a struct for tiles. So public struct tile, it has an integer type, integer state, integer type, and integer variant. And this is all just going to be part of the creation, type, and variant. And this dot variant is equal to variant. Okay, so now I'm going to be using tiles here. I'm going to have to rewrite so much. I'm not rewrite, just work around it. I'll also need to make all of that public. Public, public, and public. Okay, let's go one by one. So this is state. I can also delete this. Wait, what is this function that I'm using here? I don't need it for now. I know that for sure. So this I'm gonna fix soon. I'm also gonna quickly fix all of the issues here. Dot state and dot state. That's fixed, and also here with the collisions. Dot state. Oh yes, I forgot. I reworked the collisions from last time. They are now very consistent, which is good. I'd never copy a collision system of another popular indie game. That's just so not me. Anyways, thank you Celeste. Oh, by the way, Saibo, I wanted to ask, because I added a new channel on the Discord server, resources. Do you see it? Because last time when I added the channel, no one was able to see it. So I'm just wondering now. Like, can I ping you to this? Saibo, resources, bam. Oh, you can't see it, okay. Then never mind, I'm gonna delete the message. Sorry for pinging you. That's good though, okay. That's what I'm gonna be doing here. Integer, of 2 tt gonna be equal to that, and then I'm just gonna do type is equal to tt. Oh wait, what did I just write there? That. Wait, I wonder if C# supports this type of syntax. No, it doesn't. Okay. Which is kind of stupid, but you know. So, now that the auto tiling technically done, I'm pretty sure my PC it's gonna crash if I run it right now. That is, unless I only do one chunk. Oh no, it's still gonna crash then. How do I do neighbors? How do I go through each neighbor? Public int get neighbor bit set. Int x and int y. So here I have 2 loops for int x, and x is less than. Okay, so it's supposed to be less than. Oh wait, no, x is gonna be equal to x. Oh wait, okay, now it's just confusing. I'm gonna rename this to xt for xtile. Less than xtile minus 1. Oh no, wait, xtile plus 1. And for int, and it's minus 1 here. And for y tile minus 1. Y is less than y tile. Okay, I should, in such a way, I should loop through all of the elements. Then I do if x okay, how would I even go about doing that? What the hell? Bit set. Okay, let me comment this out for a bit. So everything here, so I do a check, x is less than 0. Or y is less than 0. In that case, we do globals.get vector to tile of x minus 1 minus 1. It returns vector 2. Oh no, that gets the position. Oh my god, what? How do I do this? I mean, obviously I can just do if statements, but that's not super efficient. So I need to pass in an x or a y and figure out if the tile public static bool, static int tile state at integer x and integer y. So what I do here, I get the tile position. And I can't just do this. Okay, let me just do this. Thus I have a tile position and a chunk position, and I just return global dot loaded chunks c position dot tiles rtx rty dot state. And here just return tile state. Oh my god, this is so probably gonna be slow. But it's already but it's only done once, so it shouldn't be that bad. Okay. So here I do if y minus 1 is less than 0. So I just gotta copy this everywhere now. Like this. Goes here, let's go here, 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 here. And now I just have to do the checks, so. I also gotta change that. Y plus 1 minus plus. Oh my god. This is definitely not gonna be annoying. So minus plus, yes, nothing, and plus plus at the very end. Okay, now here I need to check if x plus 1 is more than globals dot what's the chunk size, or y minus 1 is less than 0. Okay, is there another x plus 1? Yep, here and here. Here is x minus 1, so I'm going to be copying over this. Here it's x minus 1. Okay, is there any way y minus 1? This is just coding at its peak. Okay, I need to zoom into this. So minus 1, nope. Y plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. Wait, why is it minus 1 if it's supposed to be plus 1 here? Okay, let's see. So it's minus minus, yep. Just minus, plus, minus, yes. I need to change this to be more readable, I guess. Here, go here. Wow, I should get arrested for writing code like this. So minus minus, just minus, plus minus, yes, just minus, just plus. Then here it's minus and plus. So I do or y plus 1 is more than chunk size. Okay, then I here just check for that, and here I need to check for both of these. Alright, I can just do that. Okay. So this is ugly as hell. Does it even work? I think it's gonna break, but I can run it. I should get an error of the specific line where I miscalculated something. Yep, expected. The given key was not present in the dictionary. Oh, because the chunk isn't loaded. Oh my god, there are gonna be so many issues because of that. I didn't even think about it. So now I need to check if it contains... This is so awful. Oh my god. Hello again, Psychos. I am struggling mentally and I guess just mentally right now. This code is the worst thing ever. I'm just Ctrl-Zing all the way through it. Okay, I need to figure out a better way of doing this because I can't have that. Yeah, it is. So, on my X and Y axis, okay, let's see how this works. Drawing usually helps me think. Let's create a new file. It's gonna be like 18 by 18. And then grid. Wait, oopsie daisy, it's 1. Okay, so this is the chunk right now. Let me just fill it out with some random stuff. Like that. So when I go to this tile, which is position 1, 1, I need to somehow get the tile state here. For that I need to access this chunk, but I can't do that because I don't have the... What I can do is I can maybe reverse... I can calculate the Perlin noise there on like a specific pixel. So what I can do is get a noise. I already have a get function. Okay, so let me just do in here. So there's going to be a static function, public static int get tile state from noise. I pass an integer x and I pass an integer y. And in here I just copy paste this. And I return f bigger than 0.5 f 1 or 0. An object reference is required for the non-static field method or property. Why am I using rect here? Oh my god. I'm still gonna need to get the chunk. Oh wait, no I don't. I'm just gonna be passing the x directly with the position. Okay, no, never mind. So here... Oh wait, but it's gonna be x and y. Get tile from noise, so it's gonna be this rect rect.x plus x minus 1 and rect.y plus y minus 1. Right? This should work. It should crash on line 52. Or it's not gonna crash at all because I forgot to call this function. But that just means I'm gonna be running line 56. Okay, that's good. It didn't crash on this line. So let me just implement it for everything here now. So there it's minus y. Here it's plus minus. Here it's minus 1 and nothing. Here it's plus 1 and nothing. Here it's minus plus. Here it's supposed to be nothing and plus. And the last one is supposed to be plus and plus. Oh, please work for the love of God. Okay! This is so bad. It's like generating each chunk, like getting a chunk is now like generating 2 chunks. Okay. I mean, it doesn't lag, it seems. You know, that's important. I mean, this is not that much, this is just basic math, technically, maybe. I don't know. It's quite complex, actually. Okay, but for now, let's just see if this works. So, I get the variant. So in here, I'm actually not going to be drawing a blank. I am going to be... Where's my tile set? Let me grab some tile set real quick. Programming projects. C#. Bam, bam. Assets. Let me grab this. Put it into here. So here it's going to be using the texture. But what I'm actually going to be doing is I'm going to do a new vector 2. Oh wait, no, I already do that. Okay, never mind. So I already do that. I'm going to do a new rectangle then here on a new line. New rectangle. Where I'm going to be getting the tile. The best code is the code not written. If it worked, don't touch it. Exactly. Those are the quotes of some time. Okay, so rectangle. It gets as the x position. It's tiles variant. Oh no, tiles xy dot variant multiplied by globals dot tile size pixels. For y, it's tiles xy dot type multiplied by globals dot tile size pixels. Okay, and now I do tiles, and here just globals tile size, pixels. Bam, bam. Okay, let's see. My brain is melting from this article blog on cars and game thingy. I'll send you a link. Okay, let's see. Vehicles in games. Okay, this is a huge one you sent me. I'm not gonna be reading through it right now. Oh, that's the game I played. Like the only Gran Turismo 4 is like the only racing game I played. Or was it? Wait, which Gran Turismo PlayStation 3? Was it Gran Turismo 5? No, this looks very modern. Wait, let me see Gran Turismo 5. Maybe it is 5. Can I get some images from the game? Okay, it definitely looks like it. Yeah, I think Gran Turismo 5 and like Asphalt something were the only racing games I ever played. And they were good. I'm gonna give them that. Oh, I'm gonna do a cheeky thing, you know. You can get the link. You can just join the Discord server and look in the general chat where you can see it. Asphalt doesn't count? Do you mean because it's a mobile game? Yes, there is in the description of this video. I mean, this stream. Oh my god, I feel so annoying saying that. Anyways, let's see if this works. Oh, it's not gonna work because I'm not passing a texture. Let me create a new texture real quick somewhere here. Texture 2D, Atlas. And let's just atlas content dot load texture 2D. What was its name? Tileset. And then just pass it in the drawing function here. Okay, let's see. Well, it's something, you know. Not exactly what I wanted per se. Okay, let me see. Maybe I did something. Gran Turismo is a very arcade-like racing game. Simulators are so much better. Wait, it's not in the description? What? Wait, is it broken somehow? Let me check. Also, I think Gran Turismo is a great racing game. And so is Asphalt. I mean, again, last time I played Asphalt, I don't remember which version of it I played. It was like so old. Definitely not 9 or 8. Okay, maybe 8. I still played. Wait, was there even an Asphalt before that? Asphalt 7. Let's see how this looks. No, Asphalt 7, no. Asphalt 6? Okay, let me go all the way down to 3. Okay, it was definitely not 3. Never mind. Asphalt 5? Okay, release date. Let's see. Looks like it. Release date 2009. Okay, yeah, I think I definitely played Asphalt 5, 6, and 7. Yeah, okay. I'm hoping... No, I mean YouTube description, not stream description. Oh, okay. I like NFS Heat. I don't know what that is. It is a great racing arcade game. My general preference is realistic-like. Assetto Corsa. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm hoping to create a game like NFS Heat combined with Midnight Club 2. So many names that I just never seen in my entire life. What are what are those? Again, I'm very bad with racing games and story games. Okay, let me change around some values. Variant. Maybe this was the mistake I made. Okay, this looks more organized. Oh my god. I really don't want to open this code and try to figure out what the hell is bad here. So type is on the y-axis. Variant is on the x-axis. Yes. So then, why does it break? You can put variant here, type back here, maybe it's like -1 supposed to be. Let's see. And variant -1. Okay. What is happening? Not gonna lie, I wanna drive race car, but money, and I'm too old now, so simulator is great replacement. But going in tech, if I make enough money from making games or something, but buy my own team. Don't get me wrong, I still love games and making games and programming. I mean, I never doubted that. That's cool though. For me, I want to jump out of an airplane. But I'm too scared to do that, and I'm probably never gonna do that. But I'd like to. Maybe it is -1, but type is here and variant is here. If this doesn't work, I'm just gonna cry. It's not gonna work, is it? I actually need to think about what I'm doing. But I don't wanna. Thinking is just so difficult. Anyways, okay, let's see. What do I have here? Let me return this back to how I think it's supposed to be. Just do it. Don't let your dreams be dreams yesterday. You said tomorrow, so just do it. I don't know that video. It sounds like a pirate software phrase, and then he proceeds not to do anything. So, okay, let's see. Jesus Christ, what could be the issue? What could be the issue? Let's see, so this checks if... Let me open the tile set. Maybe I did something correctly. So this is 0, 0, right? Yep, it's 0. And variant is equal to 0. Also, why does it say that type isn't used anywhere? Where is variant used? Unnecessary assignment of value to type. Oh, okay. So in this case, that's correct. That's correct. So type is the y-axis. That is unless it's one of these guys. So I check if a variant is equal to 4. If variant is equal to 4. Oh no, it's still the same. Variant is still going to be the x-axis. And then I also have variant 5. Yep. Oh my god. Let's see. Maybe if I look again at the pattern, I could see the possible issue of this. It's not even consistent. Could it be that my noise function just sucks? Like the way I'm getting tiles is incorrect? Because it should be just like a wall, at least in some case. Like here, it just should be a wall of the same tile. But it's not. They're all different for whatever reason. Did I do this correctly? Let's see. I think I did. This is just impossible. I mean, I'm joking, of course. Let's see, maybe there's like some very smart paper. Auto tiling, procedural, terrain. Let's see what this is. Auto tile, GDX, blah blah blah. Okay, this is just some library. That's the technique I use. Oh, that's another lib. This is probably gonna be like a giant... Okay, no, it doesn't seem to be a giant thing. Generate. It just gets the noise. Set tile positions. Apply objects to area. Wait, is this Godot? Oh, it is. Okay. Okay, let's see the painter. I think that's the thing that I should care about. Is there like the word auto here? Nope. Okay. Let me open up my program real quick and debug through this. So, okay. Can I set my render distance to 0.5 so it will be one chunk? Or will that break everything? What is my distance? Is it an app state? Nope, it's not. It should be there. I guess I was too lazy to add it there. Okay, render distance. 0.5 f. Will this work? Okay, that won't work. But maybe changing this to 1 will. Just 1 chunk. Did it break? It broke. Line 80. Oh well, now I'm just not gonna draw anything. That's just stupid of me. But if I do 1, it's gonna crash. Okay, I guess I'm gonna change it to 2 then. This is amazing. I love this so much. What is the freaking issue? Am I changing this somewhere constantly? No, I'm not. Is this... okay, let me debug this. Console right line. Rect x plus x minus 1. Rect y plus y minus 1. Let's see. Random question, what's your perfect energy drink? I don't drink energy drinks. I have enough energy to not drink them. How the hell is it 17? I'm sorry, what? Oh, because the chunks I'm loading are... Wait, no, now it's 18. Now it's 19. Is it because I don't have this set up to like, okay, multiply this by globals dot chunk size? Is that why nothing is working? Okay, let me create a int relative x is equal to rectangle x multiplied by globals chunk size plus x. Oh, I can just replace this everywhere. What do you mean? I don't have ADHD, okay? I'd never. Okay, let me change this back to here and to here, and add int ry rect y multiplied by globals dot chunk size plus y. Okay, see ya, man. Have a good day. I'm gonna try and fix this issue, and as soon as I'm gonna fix it, I'm gonna stop stream, so yeah. But I think this actually is gonna fix it. I'm like almost certain. I should not be certain in my decisions. Why? Why doesn't it work? What are they doing correctly? Do I need to multiply this by chunk size for some reason? That should like do nothing, absolutely. Murphy law. I forgot what the hell the Murphy law is. Isn't it like if something bad can happen, it will happen? Wait, Murphy law. Anything that can go wrong will go wrong, yeah. Oh, I actually remember that. It was a good show as well. Cartoon. I watched like a few episodes. It's sad that it stopped being a thing. I mean, not like I care about it by this point anymore. But yeah. Anyways. Let's see the X and the Y's here. What are these huge numbers? Oh yeah, because I freaking multiplying it by huge numbers. What did I expect? Can I just also just pause here? Is it gonna pause during the code execution? Or is it just not gonna care? It's just not gonna care. Okay. Close that. Can I scroll all the way up? Nope, I can't. Okay, so my challenge is to close the window as soon as possible. Okay, I'm gonna do it again. Okay. Right, still managed to write all of it. Man, computers are fast. I'm just gonna break. One 126.112. That's not even a valid. How did it get to 126? Okay, what's my? Let me change my render distance to like 1, so the numbers don't get out of hand. How's it still at 126? Excuse me, what? How does that work? Okay, 126 and 112. What do I do with this? 126, 112. If it's the last thing which appeared, that means that it's the last tile position. Which would mean... last tile position, 126. Let's see, percent of division by 16, how much is that? 14. So that's the 14th chunk. I'm sorry, what? How are there 14 chunks? My render distance is 1. I mean, technically it's 2 because this is a radius. $126. How did I get to 126? Okay, let me look at this. Rect X by chunk size. Let me just get my rect X and rect Y's here. I can just type this out here. I don't need to do it for every tile. How does it get to 7? Sorry? How does my chunk system work? Oh, is it because of that? No, that still doesn't make sense. The chunk, there should be 2 chunks. No, 4 chunks. Which there are. The distance is 2 chunks, if I check again. Yeah, that's like 2 chunks. Basically. And now it crashed. What? I'm sorry. Why did it not even type anything else out afterwards? Yeah, it just didn't. Okay, when am I calling this function? I'm calling this function after I create everything. Why am I crashing in general though? That should not be happening. Is it because like I tried to break a tile which is out of view? Why do I crash there? Nice stream. I need to go sleep. I have school tomorrow. Hope you solve the air. Not hope. You will. I will. Bruh. No. Why? What has happened? I don't even have a single clue of why this could be crashing. Was not present in dictionary. Line 303. That's a huge line. Well, why wasn't that chunk loaded is my question now. I update the player. Maybe you should update the player before? Could that be the issue? I update the player, then I load all the chunks. Another strat I learned from Soul's game is go sleep, wake up. The answer is gonna come in your head anyways. See ya. Yeah, that works like barely at all. Okay, it crashed before here. Still does, still does, still does. At line 93 now. Should I just do like try get value at the key? Okay, what I can do is here I can just make a chunk be equal to nothing, and then I do in here I do dot get try get value on. Okay, I forgot where I'm supposed to get the value at. Dot try get value on here, and I do out C, and then later I use this, so I do C dot that. That's if C isn't equal to null. I do this, and then I do the same for here, but I change it to 1. So now they should technically load. Okay, let's see. Will it still crash? It does, but now even earlier. On line 308, which is the collision code, I'm pretty sure. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. It's too early to give up. Line 308. Why is it this line specifically? What if I say freak that? And just don't check for that right now. Is it still gonna crash? At line 239. Wait, no, 312. Okay, so it's not like it's some crazy exception, this one line. No, all of it sucks. Okay, if all of it sucks, that makes it even more inconvenient somehow. Okay, let me check something. Let me undo everything I did so far. Bam, bam. Change that. And delete this. And change the render distance to something like 2 chunks. Is it still gonna crash? It's gonna keep going down for like a solid minute or something. Doesn't seem like it is. And how was it crashing when it was set to 1 chunk? Okay, it doesn't seem like it's going to crash. I think if it would have crashed, it would have already crashed probably. If I like start going there too fast. Okay, it doesn't seem to be crashing. So I guess I'm just gonna keep it at 2 chunks. And I also think I just got the solution. Could it be that this is reversed? Let's see. Nope, that was definitely not the issue. Okay. Console.write bit set plus that. That's a lot of bit sets. But they all seem just fine. I mean, expected. They're not gonna break all of a sudden for no reason. Okay, type. What is the type? What is the type? The y-axis, yes, so this is all fine. Okay, let me only do it for like 1 chunk. If rect.x is equal to 0, and rect.y is also equal to 0. Then we do that. And also let me remove the console right line, or otherwise it's gonna slow down. Okay, here's the chunk. That's like a very bad chunk to choose. Let me move up by 1. Okay, let's see. So this chunk here. Where is my GitHub? Here. Oh no, wrong thing. World. Where's the code? Let me copy this again here. And then we're gonna check if x minus 1 is less than 0 or y minus 1 is less, or my y minus, oh my god, y my, oh my Jesus Christ. If x is basically equal to 0 or y is equal to 0 or x is equal to globals dot chunk size minus 1 or y is equal to globals dot chunk size minus 1, then we do break. Okay. This part is properly done. So why does it remove so much of it though? Like, why are only a few of these blocks properly done, but nothing else? Okay, I have an idea. We can do. What can we do? What can we do? I don't know what we can do. We can create another tiles, I guess. List. Call it tiles other. And just set this dot tiles to this for now. And use this instead of that. Oh no, but it's not gonna work because even if I change the chunk, I'll still need to rec. How do I go about this? Okay, let me try again what I tried in the very beginning of the stream. Return an integer list of neighbors, which is gonna go for int x. I guess here I'm gonna do int rx and int ry is equal rx minus 1. And x is less than rx plus 1, and x bam bam. For int x y is equal ry, same deal. Oh wait, no, this is supposed to be y plus plus. Okay. So in this case, I do basically what I do is I copy the code from here, because if it works, don't fix it. Okay, here I'm gonna create an integer list. States is equal to new integer list of 8. And what I'm gonna do states. Actually, no, I'm gonna make it a list of integer new list of 8. Oh, frick, I can't preset the capacity on a list in C#. I mean, I can, but it's gonna work not how I want it to. And then just add this. The position being X and Y. Wait. How am I even gonna pass this? Okay, here just return the states. Get neighbors. List of integers. X, Y. Oh, wait. Wait a second. Oh, no, never mind. Get neighbor Rx, Ry. Why is it crashing out? Line 54. What I'm gonna do here is just because I want to test it for now. If globals key just pressed keys dot and now R, and we're gonna do globals dot loaded chunks vector2 dot 0 dot auto tile. Okay, that's something. Okay, it works. So I guess this was just not getting it the right values. Okay, let me remove all of this for now. And instead calculate the bit set with states like that. Basically, let me copy all of this here. And change that for this and just copy it everywhere. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, let's see how will this look. Line 89. Wait, what? Where's the error? Chunk, line 89. The index was out of range. Excuse me? Why? Alright, I need to write out the length of states count. Let's see. 4? Why is it 4? Is less or equal? Okay, now it's 9. If x equals rx or y, oh wait, and y equals ry, oh wait, if not, Jesus Christ. Then we do all this. Let's see. And it's back to 4. Oh, is it back to 4 or what did I change? If x doesn't equal... Maybe I need to do it like this. Man, that's just so confusing. Yeah, why is it everything the same thing? Is it all supposed to be the other way around? 0, 1, 2, 3. Six and 7 here. Oh my god. Bots. Nope, that definitely did not fix it. Can I just debug states? Let's see what this gives me. Of course it doesn't give me anything because C# doesn't... Oh, for each int a in states. Console dot write a... Let's see. 1, 1, 1, 1. Why is it 1? Everything 1. Oh wait, maybe because it is all ones. Okay, let me change it to the to some other chunk. Oopsie daisy. Okay, this time absolutely nothing changed. New vector 2 of -1, -1. But now it's not even calling the function. What? I'm so confused. Yeah, what? Why doesn't it write anything there? You know, it thinks that all of the tiles neighboring it are empty. Why does it think that? I don't know. Why do you think that? Okay, well, I don't even know what this is supposed to be now, honestly. Okay. This might not seem to be working perfectly, but it is somewhat working. This sucks though, because it uses a list, and that is incredibly slow. Why does nothing get past this? Because it breaks the loop. Okay, let's see. Okay, it works. This system does work, but the only problem is that I don't know how to get the tiles out of the thing. How do I even... Oh my god. Like, it all works. The only issue is that the tiles, I can't read those tiles. And because of that, I only managed to get like this part of it all. But everything here is deleted because I just don't know what the hell is happening outside of it. Okay, I'm gonna have to think about this on my own because I'm already very tired. So I guess see you people next time. I can't say I fully failed. Like, it works to an extent after I press a button. I'm pretty sure I can just do this here right now. Just remove this. Yeah, like it works, but it only works for a specific part. Oh, it's almost there. And also I'm gonna change back distance to like 3 or whatever it was. So anyways, thanks everyone for coming, and I hope I see you next time. Today was a very productive stream. Bye bye.